Are you struggling to find free music for your video without copyright issues? In this video, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to add free music from YouTube to your videos. This method works for YouTube videos, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and even monetized content. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll share you some common mistakes you should avoid. YouTube Audio Library is an official free music library provided by YouTube. It contains hundreds of music tracks and sound effects that creators can use for free. You can use this music in personal, professional, and monetized content. Unlike random music from the internet, this library protects you from copyright claims and strike. This is free, 100% safe for monetization, no copyright strikes. Why you should use YouTube Audio Library? Many creators make the mistakes of downloading music from random websites. This can lead to copyright claims, demonetization, or even channel strikes. With YouTube Audio Library, you don't need to worry about any of that. Everything here is approved by YouTube, making it one of the safest options available. How to access YouTube Audio Library? To access YouTube Audio Library, first log in into your YouTube account, click on your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, scroll down and click on Audio Library. You will now see a large collection of free music and sound effects. You can see open YouTube, click profile picture, select YouTube Studio, click Audio Library. How to find the perfect music? Finding the right music is very important for your video. You can filter tracks by mood and instrument or duration. For cinematic videos, choose cinematic or dramatic music. For vlog, background video, or tutorials, use calm or tracks. Always listen to the music first before downloading. Copyright and attribution rules. Not all tracks have the same license. Some music requires attribution, which means you must credit the artist. If the attribution required, YouTube provides text. You can copy, paste the text into your video description to stay safe. It says no attribution required. You can use the music freely. How to download free music? Once you find the music you like, simply click the download button. The music will be saved as an MP3 file in your device. Now the music is ready to be added to your video. You can open your video editing software such as CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any mobile editing app. Import your video and then import the music file. Place the music under your video on the timeline. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower your voice, and you can trim the music to match your video length. Common mistakes you should avoid. Never download music directly from YouTube video. Don't ignore attribution requirement, and don't use copyright music unless you have permission. That's all for today. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.